Want to give your Instagram profile a more polished look? Here's how to change your Instagram highlight cover in just a few easy steps. Start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Next, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Under your bio, you'll see your highlights. Find the one you want to update, then press and hold on it. A menu will pop up. Tap on Edit Highlight. On the next screen, tap on Edit Cover at the top. You'll see the current cover image along with other options. Now tap on the small gallery icon at the bottom of the screen to choose a custom image from your phone's camera roll. Select the image you want to use, adjust or crop it to fit perfectly in the circle frame, then tap Done. You'll be taken back to the previous screen. Tap Done once more to save everything. And that's it. Your highlight now has a fresh, updated cover that better fits your aesthetic. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.